Tara, silipin natin tong newly turned over condo ng client ko from the US. Hey guys! Welcome to Manhattan Plaza Tower 2, located in the corner of General MacArthur Ave and General Romulo Ave, Cubao, Quezon City. Check out the lobby and hallway. Simple, pero ang ganda ng finish. Very classy and elegant vibe. This is my client's unit. Sobrang simple pa for now kasi kalilipat lang nila. Same day din kasi yung flight nila pabalik ng US. And they're still deciding kung ipaparent ba nila habang nasa abroad or gagawin nilang retirement home or second home dito sa Metro Manila. With Mega World Living, owning a beautiful city home is just the beginning. Ikaw, kailan ka mag-i-invest sa sarili mong kondo? Let's talk. Message mo lang ako and I'll help you find the perfect place. The Mega World Living Way.